Yo, 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 boys. It is your boy Deacon Mitchells, and we are playing some Roblox Jailbreak today. And so, um, this is not my first video. This is actually, I think, my fifth video. I believe it's my fifth. So, in the description, subscribe, and smash that like button to turn on notifications. Enjoy! So I will be playing as a police officer. Yeah, it's really fun. Yeah, really. Sorry guys if it's a little laggy. I'm at a library, so it's gonna be a little laggy. Now where are all the cars at? Yeah, there's a car right there. I'm a hunter. What the heck just happened? So I am in my car. I'm gonna go arrest some people. Okay. So what is going to be happening here, folks? So now I just go over by the police station. Pretty much what I do is I go in here. Yeah, voila. So we're going to be going to the city. I'm going to be finding some robbers that are robbing the jewelry store and the bank. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. As you can see, I really don't care how fast I'm going. It's not like they can arrest me because I am my own cop. I gotta go. If you want, that's where you need to go. Look, there's a helicopter right there. So, so here's another police station. So that is. So I can get into anywhere I want. Anywhere. So, looks like there's a big chase. Oh, something just happened. Ooh, someone's watching YouTube. Yep, I got it. Who's doing this? So, I'm gonna see. Oh yeah, it's getting ready to storm over here in Ogden, Iowa. Once again, if you want, you can subscribe, turn on notifications, and next video, if I get 5 likes, 5 subscribers or 5 likes, I will, you guys get to pick the Roblox or game I get to play. So, yeah. And if you want to get a free card, a free Amazon card for $50, this is, Amazon card for $500, you can do that. So, if you do subscribe, and if I get over 5 likes, you guys get a $5 card. $500 card. So, hope you guys enjoy, and just sit back, relax, and watch me arrest some people. First of all, I'll be right back. So yeah, I am back, and I am better with some Roblox. Gotta get my want to get your yachty. And as you can see, if you hold E and arrest people, you will get them. So yeah, just be happy. Yeah, like I said, if we do get over 5 likes, I will give out a $500 gift card. So if I get 5 likes on this, it's $5 gift card. This is how we do it. So just watch and learn. If you guys subscribe, good. I only have 2 subscribers. This is my first time doing a video, and hope just wish me luck. Sorry about that, guys. I'm trying to fix my headset. Yeah, there it is. So as you can see now, I am just getting there. Now I need to go get these guys. What is going on? So I'm gonna get my parachute. Hey, that did not work out. So as you can see now, I have to leave at 4:30. So I am getting my thing done right now. So just comment down in the subscription what you want this to be, and voila, you got it. What my next video will be, if you do. McMahon moves. If you want, you guys can if you guys want to know my channel, it is Deacon Mitchell's. So yeah, this is how we do it. This is how it. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm back and I'm better. So little face I made up. Looks like that guy had the same car as me. Oh my god, I'll tell you something. So that'll be it for this video, guys, and I hope you guys liked it. Just make sure hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the notifications, and you got it. So I will see you guys next time on my next video. See you guys.